Hi family, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making cottage pie. Ingredients are lean beef mince, spice for mince, oil, chopped potatoes, onion, brown onion soup and mixed vegetables. In this pot, I have already prepared mashed potatoes with a bit of salt, butter and milk. Prepare a hot pan. Throw in the oil and throw in your onions to start frying them. Add in the beef mince.
Add in your preferred spice for the beef mince. You may also add in chopped garlic if you have some. Next step will be to add frozen mixed vegetables. You may now close the pot and let it cook for the next 10 minutes. Next, sprinkle a little bit of brown onion soup. Add in a little bit of water during this process. You can add in one of your favorite sauces if you like, such as tomato sauce. Now, since the beef mince is ready, we may now move on to the next step. Grease your pan with a little bit of oil. We are going to bake the cottage pie for about 15 minutes in the oven. Start off by placing the beef mince first in the pan and spread it out evenly. The last step will be place the mashed potato on top of the mince and spread it out evenly as well. I'll be spreading a bit of oil on the mashed potato to prevent it from becoming dry. The cottage pie will be in the oven for about 15 minutes. The cottage pie is complete. This is the final product.
Just like that, the cottage pie is complete. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoy. And see you on the next recipe.